Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are trying out the SKIMS The North Face Thermoball Traction Mules 5. Now, I am not well versed in the North Face, so I don't know how many versions of these they've had. I imagine this is their 5th iteration, so I don't know how far they've come. I just know what's in front of me. Now, originally, I was a little bit skeptical about these, but I figured let's give them a try, given that we're getting the whole outfit and we really love monochrome looks. Now, they are fleece lines, which I always love, and because they are the North Face, I did have a lot of faith in the fact that they would be cozy, they would be insulating, they would be warm, they would be a good house shoe. Now, I don't know if folks are planning to wear these as a ski lodge shoe as well. I think that could be a really great purpose for them, like when you come in après ski, take off your boots and just want something that's warm, easy to slip on and off, easy to wear as either a clog, like a slip-on, or, fill in the back heel and wear it as, just something really easy to bop around in. Now, these did come in the standard 4 colors with the collection, that 2 tan colors, so the sienna, which is the cooler beige, and the ochre, which is the warmer beige, the cocoa, which is the brown color, and the black onyx color. Now, I tried on 3 of the 4. I was not able to get my hands on the sienna color, but I was able to check out the other 2. And my overall impression is that these run small. Now, I think that the best fit for me was actually the size 9, and I'm usually a 7.5 or an 8, especially if you're going to be wearing, large chunky socks from skiing. I think that's definitely the way to go to size up. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you have these? Do you like them? Do you love them? Do you want them? Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.